Welcome to our 30-day momentum map. So, this is for someone who has an online business, or it's for someone who's interested in learning digital marketing and learning how to build an online business. If that's you, like either you have an online business or you want to learn about how to build an online business, then this 30-day momentum map is for you. Okay. So, you're going to learn how to grow your following, how to build your email list, and how to attract daily paying customers and become the CEO of your business. Okay. So if you're new here, I'm Dan from Michigan, former Marine, former monk, and now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. Okay. So I started my online business with digital marketing after my company cut my pay. That's when I decided I didn't want to get another job because if I just stick to jobs, I will never be financially free. I will never be wealthy and I'll never be rich. Okay. And I want to be wealthy and I want to be financially free because the life I want to live requires a lot of money. Okay. Because I just want to travel the world, do the things that I love, live a life on vacay and I just want complete and total freedom, right? Like most people, right? Who doesn't want freedom? Okay. But you got to actually take action to get that freedom. Okay. So I started my online business with digital marketing and I started over 2 years ago. I made thousands of dollars, multiple 5 figures. My goal is to make 6 figures or more this year in 2026. And my goal for next year is I want to make over $1 million before June 2027. Okay. That's my goal. Right. So let me know where you're watching from. Drop it in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know. So I'm just going to take you through this presentation and the next 30 days or so. In the next 30 days, I'm going to be showing up every day to teach you how to build a business, and if you already have a business, how to improve your business. Okay, so let's get on with it. So day one, this is what we're going to focus on. We're going to map out your momentum. Okay, so set your 30-day goal, define what winning looks like for you, not anyone else. Now, your goal could be a result goal or an activity goal. I generally say do an activity goal because you can't really control but you can control your activities. Okay. But you can do both activity or result. So an activity goal could be like, you're going to show up every day and you're going to promote your business. Now there's 4 ways to promote a business. There's paid ads, there's warm outreach, there's cold outreach, and there's free content. Now, inside of our community, our big community, we teach you how to do free content strategies. So to build my business, basically what I do is I post content on social media. I go live on social media, and then you can also post free ads, copy paste, post free ads. Okay. So my business is in the wealth industry, right? That's my niche or niche, whatever you want to say. So I help people make money online. Okay. That's my industry. There's basically the wealth, the health, and the relationship industry, right? So you got to set your goal. So like so if you have a result goal, how much money do you want to make this month? Like I want to make at least $10,000 or more this month. Okay. But if you don't want to set a result goal, then set an activity goal. Show up every day. You're going to post at least one piece of content a day, whatever it is. Okay. You're going to go live every week. Okay. So set your 30-day goal. Okay. You can even write it down or just say it out loud. And next one is you got to define your perfect customer. Okay. So who are you helping in your business? It's usually a version of yourself. Okay. Like my perfect customer is basically me. I like to help people that are overworked and underpaid, everyday men and women, overworked, underpaid. They want financial freedom. They want peace. They want wealth. They want to be rich, but they just don't know how to do it. Okay. That's the kind of person I help, but they know that they're sick of jobs. They're sick of exchanging their time for money. Okay. The next one is you got to commit to clarity, clarity over perfection. Clarity creates momentum. Okay. Be clear about your goals. Be clear about about your vision. Like, who do you want to become? What do you want to do? What do you want to be? What do you want to have? Right. Like my vision is like, I want to be rich beyond, I want wealth beyond limits. I want money beyond belief. I want to be rich beyond belief, right? I want to travel the world. I want to create these amazing experiences for myself, my friends, my family. I want a dream house in Miami, okay? I want a Porsche. I mean, it's pronounced Porsche. I like to say Porsche, but it's pronounced Porsche. Okay? I just want to live a life on vacay, right? And so how am I going to do that? Well, I got to show up. I got to show up every day. Like, so I'm clear about like like my clarity to my vision, like to my business and my vision is like what am I going to do every day to reach those goals? Like for example, I'm going to post content every day. I'm going to go live basically every day and things like that. Okay. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to work on myself. I'm going to spend a little bit of time building my community, a little bit of time posting content, and then a little bit of time just learning new skills. Okay. So be clear about the person you want to be clear about the person that you want to become and be clear about the activities that you're going to take every day to become that person. Okay. So Next one is clarity over perfection. Perfectionism equals procrastination. Okay. Procrastination equals stagnation. You got to move. Okay. Don't try to be perfect. Nobody's perfect. Just be real. Create content from your heart. Be yourself. Be real. Be heart-centered, heart-motivated. Okay. Procrastination it's going to keep you stuck. Okay. Some people, they don't start. You see, you got to just start and move, right? Start the job, start the business, ask the person out, start exercising. Just start it, because procrastination keeps you stuck. Clarity equals momentum. Who do you want to be? What do you want to achieve? What are you going to do every day to achieve that? Okay. Clarity comes from action, not before it. So you take action, and then you become more clear about the person you want and the life that you want to create for yourself. Okay. Like my vision has kind of unfolded over the past 2 years. When I first started my business, I wasn't completely clear about what I wanted, other than the fact that I wanted to be rich. But now I'm pretty clear about your vision. Okay. My vision. So by taking action consistently, you become more clear about where you want to go and what you need to do to get there. Okay. So who do you want to serve? Okay. If you're either you have a business right now, or you're curious about starting a business, this is important for you. So who do you want to serve? It's usually a version of you. For example, me, burned out, overworked, underpaid, failed at MLM, affiliate marketing, and other side hustles, skeptical about some stuff because I've been burned before, fell for some scams, dreams of no alarm clock, no boss, freedom to travel, freedom lifestyle. The person is who you're serving. It's you. Okay. That's your perfect customer. That's what we call perfect customer, or your avatar. So my perfect customer. Okay. I knew I wasn't the only one who was burned out, underpaid, and had already failed at MLM, affiliate marketing, and every other hustle online. I just went out there and spoke to people just like me. Okay. That's me. That's who I speak to. Right. It's not, and you're not speaking to this, like, their age. You're speaking to their pain, the frustration, and the dream outcome. Okay. So you're always, when you're posting content, it's generally like you focus on the pain, the problem that your perfect customer is dealing with, which in my industry, it's like basically a lack of time and money. You focus on that, and then you focus on the solution, which is basically, my business. Okay. That's the solution. And you focus on the dream. Like, what's your dream? Spending more time with family, traveling the world. Right. So that's pretty much you got to speak to your perfect customer, whatever niche you're in, niche, whatever one you're in, you got to speak to that perfect customer. Like if you're in the health industry, you speak to people that want better health. They want to lose weight. They want more energy. If you're in the relationship industry, you speak to people that want better relationships. Okay. In the wealth industry, you're speaking to people that want more money, right? So define your version of success during the next 30 days. Social media growth is only one metric. Real success is personal. So it could be anything. For example, like post 20 videos without freezing on camera. It could be growing your email list by 50 subscribers. It could be making your first sale on social media. It could be gaining 100 to 1,000 new followers. It could be showing up consistently for 30 days straight. Okay. It could be attracting your first 10 paying customers. Whatever your version of success is, okay, just figure that out. Define what that is. What does success look for you in the next 30 days? Okay. Whether that's activities or results or both. Okay. You can write them both down, but you always got to remember, be detached from the results, because you can't control that, but you can control your actions. Okay. And show up with intention for these next 30 days. No overthinking. Overthinking. What if I mess up? What if no one watches? What if my post isn't perfect yet? What if I need more time to prepare? What should I post today? No, just be intentional with your posting and be heart centered. Post from your heart. Okay. What if this helps someone? I'm serving my perfect customer. Done is better than perfect. I show up with purpose, not pressure. What does my customer need to hear? Okay. Focus on helping other people. Focus on the other person. Focus on your perfect customer, your avatar. Don't focus on you. Get out of your head, because if you're in your head, you're dead. Okay. Now, the power of consistency. Social media is a trust building game, right? Day one, plant the seed, show up anyway, post your first piece of content. Okay. Days 2 to 10, water daily, pick the weeds, post your content every day. Okay. And then see what's working, see what's not working. Right. And then look at your mindset. Are you having a positive mental attitude, or is negativity creeping in? You got to get rid of that negativity over time. It's a practice. You got to always always having a positive mindset. Play to win, expect to win, and just don't let that negativity come in. Okay. How do I keep my mindset positive? I do EFT tapping, emotional freedom techniques. I do meditation. I do visualizations, guided meditations, and I just try to my best to think about positive thoughts, things that make me happy. I focus on those things. Focus on where you want to go and not what you're afraid of. Okay. So day 11 to 20, roots deepen, audience grows. Okay. You're building that brand. Okay. You're building that brand. People are starting to follow you. You're growing your audience. You're growing your brand because you've been showing up and posting content consistently for the past 20 days. In day 21 to 30, harvest begins. You start attracting more leads you start potentially attracting more customers. Okay. So every post is a deposit. You have to understand that you're planting seeds. Every post is a deposit in your audience trust account. Okay. People begin to know, like, and trust you by posting content. Okay. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be the most consistent. There's no such thing as perfection. Okay. The only reason I'm successful online, the reason I've made any money, it's not because I'm perfect. It's because I'm consistent. Okay. So 3 posts a day, try to post anywhere from 1 to 3 posts a day, because even one's better than none. Right. And that has the potential to start equaling to daily pay, attracting daily paying customers, right? Your dream customers are out there. Okay. Your dream customers are watching. You just got to believe that and show up every day and attract those customers. Okay. And we're going to help you do that in this next 30 days and moving forward. Right. So here's some video hook ideas. Like if you're a beginner, okay, this is going to be geared towards my niche. Okay. Which is the wealth industry. Okay. And digital marketing, making money online. Okay. So the hook is like the first 3 seconds of your video. Okay. So the first one is, hey, who here is doing digital marketing? I'm just getting started. I love any tips. Now, my CTA is I'm finally doing something different and following a 30-day plan. If you're curious, follow along. The CTA is a call to action that you do at the end of your video, right? So the next one is a vulnerability hook, right? Okay, so here's the hook. Okay, this is a little scary to say out loud, but I've officially launched my own online business. And my CTA would be, I'm learning digital marketing and following a simple 30-day growth plan. Put yes in the comments and I'll send you the details. Okay, the next one could be a problem solution kind of hook. And here's an example. I didn't think I had time to build a business, right? A lot of people think they don't have enough time to build a business, but I also knew I couldn't keep living like this. Okay. So CTA is I found a blueprint that gets my income earning activities done in 2 hours a day, put ready in the comments. Okay. There you go. That's an example. If you're brand new to like launching a business. Okay. Now, if you're in the health industry, the health industry or the relationship or whatever, all you got to do is put these, screenshot this and go to ChatGPT or whatever and say, hey, ChatGPT, can you help me create some video hook ideas for my specific niche, right? Okay. So now here's some more advanced hook ideas. If you've been showing up for the past 30 to 60 days, here's some hooks that you can use. Level up your hooks. Okay. So for example, number one, what if the next 30 days changed everything for your family? Okay, that's your hook. Hook number two is this time you're not just dreaming, you're doing. Okay. And then hook number three, what if consistency was the only thing standing between you and your results? Okay. Now here's a pro tip. If the wording doesn't feel like yours, paste these into ChatGPT and say, I like these, but can you rewrite them toward my perfect customer and niche? Okay. Who is ... Tell ChatGPT AI who your perfect customer is. Okay. And then AI will create you unlimited hook ideas. Okay. Now, you have to understand something about posting content on social media. Your content is your digital real estate. Okay. You're building that know, like, and trust. People need to know you. So how do they get to know you? Share your story. You can show your face, be real, speak from your heart. Okay. How do they get to like you? Be relatable. Even imperfect posts connect. Just be yourself. Be real. Okay. Even if it's not perfect, just be yourself. Take people on your journey. Okay. And build that trust. Consistency over time deposits in the trust account. If people see you keep showing up every day, they begin to know, like, and trust you. Okay. Connection is made, then currency follows. Connection equals currency, right? So let's go, let's grow. You are ready for more. Say this, I am ready for more. Say this, I am worthy. I am value. I am wealth. I am rich. I am wealthy. I am magnificent and I am ready for more. I got this. Okay. So the next 30 days can completely change your life. Make sure you plug into this 30-day momentum map, show up, stay consistent, serve your perfect customer, and expect to win. All right. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Okay. And I'll see you tomorrow on day 2.